I hurt my toe. Dang it. What's up, y'all? Your girl Champagne is back with another great video, you guys. We coming with a banger today, okay? I feel like I've been missing the action for good reason, but I'm here. We're gonna be talking about networking, how to get those potential clients in your door, and make it less scary for yourself. I know sometimes us as estheticians or solo estheticians, when we go out and we're trying to think of how to go about getting a client, it can be scary. The process can seem unreal, or the process could seem like you're an introvert or you don't want to deal with nobody. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you how to make those connections and don't seem so scary making those connections or even coming off awkward in a sense. Okay, so before I get started, welcome back to SBE Aesthetics. I'm your licensed esthetician helping solo estheticians become successful with the right tools and strategies and assisting others with their skincare and beauty needs. So let's dive into this and get a little bit more about those connections here. So let's talk about networking as far as solo estheticians real quick here. So why is it important to network? Why do we need a network? We need a network to make those connections. We need a network because maybe there's somebody out there we could potentially do business with, you know, like doing business with local businesses, making that connection. Hey, let's cross promote each other's services, you know. So these are some good reasons to network, and then also to see what everybody else is doing out there in their industry, in their field. You know, connections are good because you never know who that person knows. You never know that they might be looking specifically for you and specifically for what you offer, and it's just a great thing. And I'm gonna share myself for prime example. I was able to do a celebrity makeup for the first time in my life. How did I get that? From networking, from a friend that I met when I went out. Me and my husband went out and I met her. We linked up. Our energy and vibe was everything, and we've been friends ever since, you guys, literally ever since. And how did I get that? Because I knew someone and they knew the type of work I did. They trusted in me. And when you meet people and you build that relationship and you build that rapport and that connection and that trustworthiness, they can't do nothing but be of good servitude and be like, hey, you know, do you want to take this opportunity? So networking is truly important because you never know who you could come across. You never know what type of work you might get offered to do that might benefit you in the long run, you guys. Okay, so let's move on to some of the things I want to talk about when making those connections at a networking event or wherever you're at networking. So you want to make sure that you are approachable, you guys. Sometimes people can be standoffish. People can be not wanting to be talked to because you just feeling like you in this vibe right now, but you want to be approachable even if your personality isn't that strong. And what I mean by that is a people person. If you're not really a people person, still be approachable. I shouldn't be hesitant to come up to you because of what you're looking like. So you always try to wear a smile on your face, always try to engage, hear somebody out, be sure to make eye contact, be confident, and just basically always remember to be yourself and just open up a little bit more. Okay, next you want to practice your elevator pitch, you guys. So y'all already know about that little mini introduction about yourself. Oh, hi, my name is such and such, and I do lashes. No. You want to make sure you keep it concise, clear, and brief, you guys. Get to the point. Be you. I hurt my toe. Dang it. Be you. And yeah, that's how you want to just keep it clear cut, concise, with a smile. And make sure you don't slip into a conversation about your personal life or something on one topic for so long. Okay, move the conversation along. You know, you don't want to stay in one little conversation for too long. Okay, you want to move it along and go with the flow. You want to be genuinely interested in the person you're speaking to. You want to ask questions. You know, again, show eye contact. Be genuinely there in the midst of the conversation. Resist the urge to interrupt while someone's talking to you. Hear them out, and then once they're done, give your speech, give your opinion, start talking. But just really hear them out because this is key. It shows that you're able to listen, you're able to digest the information that you're receiving, and you're not so quick to speak. And remember, it's not only about you, unless you're the only esthetician in town, then that's a whole nother story. You want to embrace social media, you guys. It's like networking on steroids, right? I mean, I'm just saying, social media, we need it, okay? Social media is there. It's not going nowhere for a minute, okay? You want to engage with your target audience online, share tips, or if it's in person, engage with them in person. Share your values, share tips, share things that you've learned. This is key when you're networking with people because why? It builds trust. They get to see your personality a bit, and they get to see what type of things you like to do and offer. Next, you want to be able to attend industry events and conferences. They're literally like speed dating for professionals. You want to make sure that you dress to impress. You can do business casual, but you ain't got to come in there with like a little sequence gown, okay? You can save that for like the ballroom or something like that. But yeah, you want to make sure you're decently dressed and be ready to mingle like a pro. Do it without sounding cheesy. So for example, hey, my name is Champagne and I do facials, lashes. What do you do? That's kind of cheesy, you know, I don't know. Just do this instead. How you doing? Yes, my name is Champagne. Yeah, I've been an esthetician for the last 7.5 years. This is what I offer. Get straight to the point, be clear and concise, and you're good. But if you want to be cheesy, do you, because that's you. Remember, I'm all about personality here, okay? In the last, you want to make sure you collaborate with other individuals in the field that you are in. This is really great because you guys can share information with each other. You guys can learn from each other. She might know or he might know something that you don't know, that you've been missing a piece to the puzzle for you, for what you need to go do to level up. You can partner with hairdressers, makeup artists, lash techs, brow techs. You can partner with all these people. And when you guys join forces together, you not only expand your network, but it becomes like a one-stop shop for you and the other people you decide to network with or collaborate with. It's just a beautiful thing, you guys. So just keep in mind that networking is about building relationships, not just about collecting business cards and that's it. Okay, you really want to get to know the people you talk to. Take their number right then and there if you guys are exchanging. Take their email right then and there if you guys are exchanging. This is key. So I just want you guys to do great in your networking skills and the things that you do and offer. It will pay off, mark my word. We'll be dropping the Solo Esthetician Success Guide. If you have not already gotten your hands on that, that is really good because it walks you through how to get clients, what to do daily, weekly, just to get clients and grow as a solo esthetician. And for you guys who have purchased the guide, I love you guys. A lot of you guys have purchased the guide. I hope you guys like it. Just know that little small cost and all that information that you got, man, I have so much to offer and so much information to share that I know you would thrive as a solo esthetician. Okay, I'm not going to drag this video out, but I'll catch you guys back with another one. Bye.